Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Aditi and I create makeup, beauty, lifestyle related content. Today's video is going to be too much fun because this is the first time I'm creating my own vision board, and through the process I learned a lot and I thought of sharing it with you all. So आज की वीडियो में we will see first of all what is a vision board and why do we need it, and if I do then how do I make it. So we'll go about all of that. I would highly recommend you subscribing to my channel because I'm definitely going to add something of value to your life. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Let's jump into the video. So basically a vision board is a board that will have collage of images जिसमें आपके सारे dreams, goals, wishes in the form of images and sometimes affirmations या फिर words या quotes के form में भी होते हैं. Whatever speaks to you, you know, whatever you feel connected with. So all of that can be on your vision board. Everybody's vision board looks very different. Like my topmost goal is to lose weight. किसी और का हो सकता है finances या career, health for that matter. So everybody's vision board looks different. But why do you need it? I already know what I want. I already know that, you know, I am fat, I want to be thin, or I need to make more money. So why do you need a board? अगर आपको पता ही है कि आपको लाइफ में क्या चाहिए तो आपको अभी तक क्यों नहीं मिला? Why are you not able to achieve it? The answer to that question will be focus. क्योंकि क्या होता है every year ना when the year starts we all get too excited and you know we take new year resolutions and then हमें लगता है कि wow throughout the year this year I'll do this, I'll do that, but then जैसे जैसे Jan निकल के Feb आता है, March आता है, by April we forget all that. हम वापस से अपने डेली रूटीन में आ जाते हैं, सोफे पे पड़े रहना, नेटफ्लिक्सिंग करना. So I am that person, right? I am a person who gets distracted very easily. For me, I need focus. I need to focus on the things that I want to achieve. I need something in front of me to remind me time and again कि okay, these were your goals in the beginning of the year, what about those? So you know, just go about it, and that is a vision board for me, and it will keep, I hope it keeps, because this is my first time doing it, right? So I hope it keeps me focused. So by creating a vision board, I'm basically directing my brain to focus on the important things in life and filter out the unimportant things. Now चलो ठीक है, board भी बना लिया. अब how will it work? It's something in front of me, but how is it going to work? So let me tell you that there's this thing called reticular activating system in our brain जो हमारे ब्रेन को इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ों को प्रायोरिटाइज करता है. अ क्लासिक एग्जाम्पल वुड बी द मोमेंट यू थिंक ऑफ यू फिक्स योर हार्ट एट सम न्यू मॉडल ऑफ द कार. अभी तक आपको नहीं दिख रहे होंगे, बट देन यू स्टार्ट नोटिसिंग इट लाइक एवरीवेयर, एंड फिर आपको दिखेगा यार रोड पे 50 सेम कार है जो मुझे चाहिए. सो यू स्टार्ट बेसिकली नोटिसिंग इट. दोस कार्स वर ऑलवेज ऑन द रोड, बट हम नोटिस नहीं कर रहे थे. बट द मोमेंट वी टेंड टू गेट दैट कार, हम उसको नोटिस करने लगते हैं. So it's all activity of our reticular activating system. So this is what happens with the vision board. Like the moment you start seeing something in front of you every day, your brain starts to look out for activities and how you can make those things on the board come to a reality. Basically we are tricking our brain into believing by looking at those pictures time and again ki this is my reality. That's what our brain starts doing, and then it starts directing us in a certain way ki things start becoming real. So that is how all of this works. When it comes to the vision board, you know, for example, few things that somebody would want, like मुझे मेरे अकाउंट में 50 लाख रुपए चाहिए, या मुझे 60 kgs का होना है. So that is quite specific. या मुझे बेस्ट एरिया में बेस्ट जगह पे ऐसा घर चाहिए. So that is quite specific. And a few things you can keep on the board which are not that specific. Like it can be a feeling that you get, like दिवाली के टाइम वाली feeling, the floralness of it, you know, the beauty, that beautiful feeling in you. So you can keep it to that. Now चलो ठीक है, हमने ठीक है, we should have a vision board. हमने अपना बोर्ड भी बना लिया. अब मैंने उसको एक सुंदर सी जगह सजा दिया है और वहाँ पे वो पड़ा हुआ है. तो that is not how it works. Like you need to put it in a place जहाँ पे आपको हमेशा दिखता रहे. ठीक है, तो जैसे मैंने मेरा जो बोर्ड है, so that's my board. I'll come to it soon. ये मेरा जो बोर्ड है इसको मैं अपने स्टूडियो रूम में इन फ्रंट ऑफ द डोर रखूंगी कि whenever I walk into the room, my eyes are there. So the beauty of all of this is it's all happening subconsciously or unconsciously rather. मुझे कोई एफर्ट नहीं लेना पड़ रहा है कि ओ मुझे बोर्ड पे देखते रहना है ऐसे 5 मिनट तक तभी वो चीज़ रियल होगी. नहीं, आवर ब्रेन इज ऑलरेडी प्रोसेसिंग इट सब अनकॉन्शियसली. सो दैट्स द ब्यूटी ऑफ इट. and I just need to look at it every day, randomly aate jate. If you try to remember, maybe in your childhood you had this dream of going to a place, and now maybe you forgot it, you don't have any value for it, but if you try to remember, आपकी काफ़ी wishes would have already been fulfilled. So manifestation or the vision of things is something that will come true today or 10 years later, but then if it is to come true 10 years later, why not today? And so that is what we are working at here. चलो ठीक है, मैंने बोर्ड बना लिया, मैंने इस पे सब डाल दिया, मैंने ये इस पे मुझे एक घर चाहिए तो मैंने शाहरुख खान के मन्नत की फोटो डाल दी, या एंटीलिया डाल दिया. ऐसे नहीं चलता. You have to be realistic also. Like if I'm making 10,000 a month, I cannot expect to start making 1 crore next month, right? It takes time. So you need to actually believe in what you are putting up on the board. It should be believable enough for you. Only then it's going to trick your brain into thinking that it is true. If it's too far-fetched, how will you believe it? You need to believe in your dreams for somebody else to believe in it. All right. So talking about my vision board, I didn't want my board to be too cluttered, so I categorized it. There are a few photos that I'll discuss. The first one is the weight loss. As last year also I tried to lose weight, and every year my New Year resolution top most priority is losing weight, but then it becomes वही हम focus नहीं रहते, भूल जाते हैं. We tend to get back to our older habits of having fast food and just laying around on the sofa, which doesn't help. So yes, this is my top most. अगर मैं चार्ट में बोलूँ तो मेरे सबसे ऊपर इस ईयर यही है. उसके बाद again move, staying active, and this is for work, for housekeeping, घर अच्छा रखना, बच्चे को देखना, अपना health देखना. Everything requires you to move. Like you want everything in your life, but then you're not going to try doing anything for it, then it's not going to happen. We need to make it happen. Activity हमें ही करनी है, चलना फिरना हमें ही है, things I have to do. So move. So first of all, and also every picture in your board should speak to you. It should mean something to you. Only then it's going to elicit that feeling of belief and that you want to be there. You are there. मतलब I'm so lazy that विजन बोर्ड बनाने में भी मैंने 1 month लगा दिया. एंड लास्ट ईयर मुझे करना था. आई वांटेड टू डू दिस सिंस लास्ट ईयर, बट देन द होल ईयर आई टुक टू मेक द बोर्ड एंड देन द ईयर एंडेड. दैट्स हाउ प्रोक्रास्टिनेटिंग आई एम. लाइक I am the queen of procrastination. If there was a competition held for it, I would be awarded as the queen of procrastination. मतलब even vision board बनाने में मैंने 1 साल लगा दिया, and इस साल भी 1 महीने तो almost waste कर दिए. Then I was like, no, I have to get this done ASAP. Like I move. Now again, stop procrastination. As I said, I'm the queen of procrastination. So I need to tell myself that you need to stop procrastinating. Like focus. Remember not to procrastinate. Efficiency is of no use if you are a procrastinator. You need to be sincere with being efficient. Only then you're going to reach somewhere, right? Problem is that we know everything, but then when it comes to taking efforts, laziness, procrastination. No, not this year. I'm going to claim 2025 as my year. Okay, the next pick would be, this is for how I would want to look. Obviously, I won't turn into a white girl, and I don't even want to. I love me, but this is how I would want to look. I want to be this thin, and the vibe of it. Don't be busy, be productive. Every photo means something to me. The universe is working in my favor, which is absolutely true. I genuinely believe that. मतलब कितने इंस्टेंसेस ऐसे होते हैं लाइफ में when you feel like God is with you. God has their hand on you. So many instances I can say in my life, and every time I know that I need to put in effort. If I put effort, the world, the universe is going to be in my favor, and I know that. So the only lacking problem here is me. It's me. Hi, I'm the problem. It's me. Then this is for, I want to have a routine. मुझे हंसी आ रही है. आई फील लाइक मैं ऐसे अपने घर वालों को पकाती हूँ जैसे मैं आपको पका रही हूँ. बट एनी वे, so I want to have a routine where I wake up at 6 a.m. and then I take shower early in the morning, and then I do puja. There's this khushbu of agarbatti everywhere. And then I offer flowers to God. So that is like Oh my god, it's so weird. Like, I want to reach where my mom has always been, following a routine. I cannot even do that. Like, seriously, guys, if any one of you is like me, please comment down below. It would be so funny to speak to you all because we are so lazy people. No, if this is a dream, it should be everyday business, right? So then there is, this image of Cafe Lalita in Thailand. And last year we were planning to go to Thailand, and then मैंने थोड़ा research किया, and मैं इतना in depth घुस गई उस research में कि मैंने एक cafe, एक restaurant, कौन से Chiang Mai basically I wanted to visit north of Thailand, Chiang Mai and Chiang Rai, and वहाँ पे Chiang Rai में है Cafe Lalita, so उसका ये image है, and it's like if any of you is going to go to Thailand, it's a must visit place. I mean मैंने online देखा and I have died watching it a million times, and this year I really want to visit Thailand. First मेरा अभी तक passport भी नहीं बना मेरा अभी तक पासपोर्ट भी नहीं है. Whenever like my brother and my भाभी, they are very frequent travelers, international trips, they love to travel, but वो vlog नहीं करते. मैं बोलते यार तुम travel करते हो vlog नहीं करते, ऐसे कौन से travelers मैंने तो देखी ही नहीं. Anyway, so whenever I plan, I see the travels and then I get excited. I tell my brother कि okay, whenever you guys plan here, I'll also come with you. Then he's always like passport तो बना ले. So yeah, I don't even have my passport yet, all because of my laziness. So yes, this year we are not going to be lazy. We are going to move. This can be a whole separate video on my habits and how I am. उसी routine में जहाँ मुझे every morning सुबह उठना है, there I also want to do yoga in nature, you know, all of that. So this is for that, and this elicits that feeling in me that I want to reach someday here when I've lost so much weight, and this is my daily routine, but I'm going to the park and I'm doing yoga. This images of Goa, क्योंकि मैं अभी तक गोवा भी नहीं गई. It's actually embarrassing to even admit it, क्योंकि आजकल like everybody has been to Goa but me, and why I don't know. There is always something or the other and nothing materializes. So this year I have to go to Thailand and Goa at least. Is this image again of Thailand, Mars Cafe, and oh, so pretty. So this is of Thailand, Mars Cafe, and this cafe is also so amazing. Thailand has like the best cafes I've seen, so amazing. I see myself here, you know, I feel like this girl is me because I feel like I have been transported there. जब मैं इतना in-depth research मैंने किया ना, I always imagine myself there. I feel like I'm there, I'm enjoying there, I'm taking in the vibe of it, you know. So yeah, all of that is there. So ये तो चलता रहेगा. But then this is how, right? The things you really want to work on in your life. When I was making my vision board, I felt like making a motivation board and a discipline board for me, because that's how much I need these things to keep me motivated and focused in life. Let's discuss how I made my vision board and how you can also make your vision board. Now, what I highly recommend is categorizing the areas that you would want to put up on the board. Areas हैं weight loss and fitness, उसके बाद है travels, Goa and Thailand, उसके images और वो outfits और वो सब मैंने डाला हुआ है. And then we have finances and success, जिसमें I put up the image of money, my subscriber count on YouTube, motivational quotes that really inspires me. So there's all of that. And then there's housekeeping. So मेरे ये categories हैं. Let's discuss the things that you will need to make the vision board. I ordered this Faber-Castell का canvas board. This is in size 35 by 45 centimeter या 14 by 18 inch, and I ordered this from Amazon. This was just for rupees 180. All you have to do is सबसे पहले you have to go to Pinterest, download the images that you want to. I went to Pinterest.
एस्थेटिक टाइप करके अगर आप कोई भी इमेज सर्च करते हैं तो आपको एस्थेटिकली प्लीजिंग इमेजेस मिल जाएंगे Pinterest पे. इट्स ब्यूटीफुल. सो वो इमेजेस को मैं स्क्रीनशॉट या डाउनलोड करके आई अपलोड दोज इमेजेस ऑन कैनवा फ्रॉम द फोन. उसके बाद आई लॉग इन टू माई डेस्कटॉप एंड देन वहाँ पे जाके आई स्टार्ट क्रिएटिंग द प्रोजेक्ट ऑन कैनवा एंड बाय यूजिंग द इमेजेस दैट हैव ऑलरेडी अपलोडेड. तो नाउ वी वांट अ कस्टम साइज़, राइट, क्योंकि मेरा 35 बाय 45 का पोस्टर है. तो उसके लिए मैंने पहले पोस्टर प्रिंट डाला जहाँ पे मेरे पास कस्टम साइज़ डालने का ऑप्शन आ जाता है. तो वहाँ पे जाके मैंने कस्टम साइज़ अपना मेजरमेंट्स सेलेक्ट कर लिया यूनिट चेंज करके. एंड देन वी स्टार्ट एडजस्टिंग दोज इमेजेस जैसे भी मुझे कोलाज बनाना है. बार मेरा कोलाज रेडी हो जाता है तो उसके बाद आई जस्ट डाउनलोड इट एंड देन वी गेट इट प्रिंटेड एंड दैट्स दैट। मैंने एक बहुत ही क्यूट सा टाइनी वर्जन भी बनाया फॉर माई फ़ोन। So yes, that's it.
Then I got it printed. तो मैंने जो प्रिंट करवाया है ये मैट पेपर पे प्रिंटिंग है। This costed me 250 rupees. I had ordered these metal hooks from Meesho. ये 20 hooks आए मुझे 165 rupees में।
After that I cut the print out as per the length of the board. ये थोड़ा सा बड़ा था print paper और मैंने अपने कोलाज को कट किया and then all we did was we stuck it with the help of Fevicol on the canvas, and after that I stuck the hooks at the back side with a quick fix and I left it just like that for like 24 hours जिससे वो hook बहुत अच्छे से stick हो गया। And you don't need to leave it for that long, like 2 hours to 3 hours is good enough, but just to be on the safer side. And then this was the final product.
So yes, that's how I created my vision board. Let's see next year 2026 में January में we will review क्या क्या चीज़ें मेरे board से true हुई हैं, and let's see if I make them into a reality or not, or the universe grants me all those wishes or not. That's all about this video. I hope you found this video helpful. You enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also like this video. That would mean a lot to me. And that's about this video. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, bye.